Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 7. Week 6 last week, we had the essay. Give me a couple extra days to get those scored. I'm doing my best, but it's a lot of reading and grading, so you won't have updated grades quite yet, but we're going to head into week 7. This week, we have difference maker research. It's pretty simple, straightforward, but you're going to be looking at what does it take to make a difference. So down the left-hand side, we have different people who've made a difference in their own field. So they're going to be very different people. They lived at different times and they made a different type of difference. So for each person, you're going to look up what did they do? What are they known for? What was their motivation? Kind of why were they doing the things that they were doing? Characteristics and qualities. How would you describe them? What type of people are they? What did this person sacrifice or give up in order to make their difference? And what challenges did they have to overcome? Maybe who was kind of standing in their way? What was hard for them? What was stopping them? Were they getting into any trouble? What slowed them down? Things like that. And then who did this person impact positively and who did they impact negatively? Okay, so you'll have to look up kind of who these people are and fill out this chart for Bayard Rustin, Kat Von D, Desmond Tutu, Father Greg Boyle, Phil Knight, Jackie Robinson, Nick Vujicic, and Cami Anderson. And then down here, you're going to add your own person. Maybe it's someone that you look up to, someone you've studied before, but someone that you know has made a difference, and fill it out for them. And then of the people above, who made the biggest difference. So maybe who of those people, who was the most important, the most influential, and you'll answer that question right here. You can open this in Cami if you want to do it in Cami. I would probably just do it in Google Docs. That might be a little bit easier. That way you can just type right in the boxes and you can adjust the size of the boxes. It's easy to make lists for that as well. Okay, so that's your only assignment for this week. You will need this chart for next week. So make sure you do a good job. You really get to know these people so you are prepared to be successful next week. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, email me. And again, I will let you know when I have the essays graded from last week. All right, have a great week. The attendance word is coffee, which I obviously need more of. So if you missed our meet on Monday, make sure you email me the word coffee so I know that you watched this lesson and I can get you your attendance credit. So coffee. Have a great week.